Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a review, swatch, and tutorial on the Colourpop Lippie Stix in the shade Psych. It is one of my favorites of all time from their website and shade ranges and colors. It's described as a deep dirty peach, and in my opinion, for my medium to tan olive skin tone, I feel like it reaches more of a muted kind of coral beige shade, and I'm in love with it. It's the perfect kind of muted coral in my opinion. But what it is a Lippie Stix. It's called Lippie Stix, and it is a formula that contains vitamin E, mango, avocado, and shea butter for added comfort and moisture. It's super comfortable. None of our Lippie formulas contain any nasty ingredients like parabens or sulfates. It's a matte kind of formula, but in my opinion, it's not super dry matte that's uncomfortable for my dry to normal lips. And it's a full coverage lipstick that is super long wearing, ultra comfortable, and loaded with pigment. It retails for $5.50 for 0.035 ounces, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So this is definitely one of my favorite products from Colourpop, the Lippie Stix, and it's one of my favorite corally colors from Colourpop as well, or even in any makeup brand in general. So I definitely reached for this shade on my medium to tan olive skin, my dry skin. This is very comfortable. I love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!